2 minus 3 is not possible. What we do? We borrow 12 minus 3 is 9 and 4 become 3. 3 minus 3 is 0. Now in step 2 what we do? We write in the form Q R by D. What's the meaning of Q? Quotient. Our upper value 3 is quotient and remainder by divisor. R means remainder. Remainder is 9 and divisor is 11. So first we write quotient. Quotient is 3. Then remainder 9. Then divisor 11. Now convert mixed into improper fractions. Question is convert 1 into 3 by 5 into improper fractions. How we will do it? Our question is 1 into 3 by 5. What we do here? First D multiply Q. D mean divisor multiply quotient plus remainder by divisor. What we do here? First we will multiply 5 by 1 and then we will add 3 here. Now first we putting the values. 5 divisor is 5 multiply quotient 1 then braces plus 3 bar then divisor is 5. Now in next step we will multiply 5 by 1. 5 ones are 5 then plus 3 by 5. In first step we solve the braces number. Now in next step we add this numerator 5 plus 3. Our answer is 8 and by 5. Now our next question is how to simplify fractions. What's the meaning of simplify? We will convert it into lowest form. Divide numerator and denominator of fraction by common factors till the fraction is in lowest form. Now example 21 by 63. What we do here? We will divide numerator and denominator by the same number. 21 and 63 are divisible by 3, so we will divide it by 3. Now when we divide 21 by 3, our answer is 7. When we will divide 63 by 3, our answer is 21. So we write the answer 21 divided by 3 equal to 7. Then 63 divided by 3 equal to 21. Our answer is 7 by 21. In next step 7 and 21 are divisible by 7. So we divide it by 7. 7 divided 7 is 1 and 21 divided 7 our answer is 3.